Phen is up 9.27% as of this time. If you own the stock, what should you do and what are the buy signals that would have caused you to buy Phen in the past? Check this video out if you want to learn more how technical analysis works, how you could use technical analysis to spot amazing buy signals like what we're seeing in Phen right now, and what should cause you to hold when nothing is happening yet, or what should cause you to sell later on. Enjoy this video. Hey guys, so this is Marvin Germo. I'm back in Manila. We just finished Icon 2019, the largest conference in the country. We're doing more in Iloilo and Davao in the next few months, so stay tuned. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. If you want to know more how to win and how you can use the stock market to make money for you over the long term, join us, subscribe, and be part of the 1% of Filipinos trading and winning in the market. So the style and the narrative for position trading is just basically this. You follow the trend and you maximize it to its fullest extent. If a trend is going up, if a stock is breaking out and positioning in an uptrend, you must buy regardless if there's news or not, and just follow the charts on what it's telling you. Now, here's the thing as well. The buy signal for Phen came December 18, December 19 last year, 2018, just before the year was about to close. It broke out from a resistance. Then MACD, for those who attended our Stock Smart sessions, you know how to spot our buy signals using MACD. The MACD turned from bearish to bullish. That means the goal, the narrative is, as long as it's staying in that upward bullish movement, there's no need to sell. So as of that buy signal that happened last December, if you follow the narrative up until now, it's already May. What does that tell you? It shows you that you've been holding the stock for 5 months. But here's the thing, the stock is up today more than 9%. So it tells you also that your gain is more than 100+% already. I think it's around 124%. So if you can get that gain also, you have to understand, it's not about just waiting for it in just a couple of days. Don't get me wrong, there are some stocks that go up in just a couple of days, and that happens. But it does not happen in all of the stocks. There will be some stocks that you have to deploy patience. I don't know about you, but waiting for 5 months to get 124% is still amazing. Now, for those who own the stock, as you can see, look at the charts below. There's still no sell signal, and what you need to do is you just have to follow what the charts are telling you. It's not telling you to sell yet. Your goal is to hold. It's not telling you to sell yet. Your goal is to wait until a sell signal will emerge. Should it go to 200%, that's well and good. But should it show you reversal signals much later and your earnings will be less than 200%, that's pretty much fine, because our goal is not to sell because we're earning, but our goal is to sell when we're starting to use technical indicators to work for us. That removes the emotion out of the game, and that will allow you to trade and win when the market right now, everyone's still flat, or most investors and traders are not doing as well. So I encourage you, try to remove emotions in your trade, try to focus on what the charts are telling you, because at the end of the day, similar to what's happening to Phen, you will win when you do not follow your emotions. You will win when you use technical analysis to make the trade for you. So just to give context on what's fueling this, you have to remember, this is just purely based on news on Ayala Corp entering into the energy space. You know that it's similar to what's happening to Poppy, Ayala Land Venture. Anything that Ayala Land, Ayala Corp touches normally creates a good sentiment toward the stock, because Ayala knows how to run companies well, knows how to take over companies well as well. So Phen, if run properly and masterfully crafted by Ayala over the next few years, you will see more and more earnings coming from this. And since this is an energy play, you have to understand, the Philippines being a growing economy, energy is pretty much important for our country to continue to grow much further. So it's primarily based on news that's fueling the movement of the stock. But everything you need to know is found in the charts, and that's why I love technical analysis. So that's it for now. This is Marvin Germo back in Manila, because you know what? We're having Stock Smarts Manila this June 15. So if you want to learn how to trade with conviction without using any form of guessing, use technical analysis, and I hope to see you in Stock Smarts Manila. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you.